So here we are. This is Teresa. We have arrived at Modjeska Ranch Rescue. And here's Jade. We're going to take a walk. And there's Russell over there working on a fence. And we're going to go for a walk. Jade thought that we were taking a ride in the car to go to the park because she loves going to the park and playing with other dogs. And after about an hour in the car, once she realized that the smell was changing, then she realized that she was not going to the park, that she was going someplace different. And so here she is. She's checking it all out. Yeah, typical Dane. She's startled by any noises. She's a very sweet girl. She's just a little confused at the moment. No, this is not the park, and where is her family? Oh, who's that? I think that's Marmaduke. Is that Marmaduke?
It's, Rambo.
Oh, hi, Rambo. Hello. Oh, there we go.
Hi, Lulu.
There's Rambo, and Lulu's got a friend. I thought she didn't like other dogs.
Well, now
She does. Oh, there's a whole crew up there. Look, she likes all of those dogs. Wow. Lulu, you made a lot of progress.
It's okay. Look, Dave.
It's okay, baby girl. Oh, look here.
Good.
Look here. Here's somebody. Look here. Look here. Here, look. Here's a guy who wants to play with you. Look.
Marmaduke.
Marmaduke, I see you there. There's Marmaduke. Let me see. Can he really? Oh, and look at you. Aren't you a beauty? Look at you. Where's Marm? Let me see Marm. Marmaduke! There he is.
Someone who couldn't walk very well.
No, he looks great. Look at you. You look great. I remember when I brought you, you couldn't even stand up, let alone walk. Well, hello, who are you? You like playing with the big dogs? Okay, guys, I brought you a new Great Dane. Yeah. Here. You're going to have good friends.
Gonna like you.
Yeah, look here. Look, Jade, look. Jade, look. Well, she just wants the people attention at the moment, but she does like dogs and people and kids.
And these guys will be good for her.
They'll be great for her. Okay, I'm about to run out of juice, I think, so...
Yeah, look, there's Marmaduke looking at you.
There's Marmaduke. There's Marmaduke.
Marmaduke, come on. Marmaduke, come up.
So here's Jade, safe and sound at Modjeska Ranch Rescue. Big thank you to Teresa and Russell.
Hi, my love.
She's already Teresa's best friend. She was that way when I showed up at the house, too.
Absolutely. Isn't that
You know, you got the right smell.
Yeah.
She smells you, you got the right smell, then we're friends.
Your friends are going to come over.
Yep.
I just blocked it off so